Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Concept.Study is hiring for English teacher. Let's see about this job role. Concept.Study is hiring teachers to teach students aged 6 to 16 years in the below categories: English teaching class 10 to 12, understanding the curriculum and developing schedules, lesson plans and teaching methods that will help students cover the required content, preparing and delivering lessons that are stimulating and clear, setting up tests, assignments, experiments and grading students fairly, ensuring appropriate resources and consultation times are available to students. This is a part-time in summer 8:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. IST and winters 9:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. IST. Remote job. Ideal for school teachers having teaching experience. Best industry remuneration. Here are the requirements for this role. English proficiency is must. Subject proficiency is must. You must have prior teaching experience to teach children. You love teaching. Personal computer or laptop and a headset. High-speed broadband internet. Consistent availability during chosen class hours. This is a part-time job. Summer 8:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. IST and winters 9:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. IST. What we do differently from others? No sales pressure. No sales demos. No high penalties. No joining registration fees. Flexible timings from the comfort of your home. Happy teaching. Opportunity to be a part of dynamic growth focused edtech. Great learning opportunities to develop new skills and understand cutting edge software tools and processes. Opportunity to work closely with serial tech entrepreneurs from Silicon Valley. Fun loving environment and caring teammates and inclusive culture of the company. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.